Lieutenant General Syed Atta Hasnain, head of Army's Srinagar Base 15 Corps, along with other senior officers, paying his last respects to Naib Subedar Lal Singh, killed during an anti-infiltration operation in North Kashmir. Thanks to the Army's relentless operations in the hostile mountainous terrain of Kashmir, this somber tribute, part of the Army's standard drill for every soldier killed in action, gets repeated almost every week. It has been a quiet summer in Jammu and Kashmir, extraordinarily quiet. No protests, no killings. But away from public gaze and television cameras, a relentless battle between militants and the Indian Army continues. The line of control remains active and hot. The job needs to be done despite the fact that it's monotonous and tedious. What goes into the operations that take place day in, day out? What makes the soldiers do the job without hesitation and with frequent regularity? We are here to find out. I'm Nitin Gokhale. The fact is, Pakistan's proxy war in Kashmir is far from over. The daily battles are not headline grabbers, but every day, Indian Army units deployed on the line of control continue to thwart desperate attempts by well-armed and well-trained militants to cross into Jammu and Kashmir. Soldiers die in ones and twos. Many more get injured. Most injuries leading to permanent disability. And yet, operations have to be launched come night or day.
आज की हमें खबर मिली है कि टेररिस्ट का एक ग्रुप तकरीबन 8 से 10 हमारे चेक पोस्ट 3 के सामने से निकलेगा, जहां हम एम्बुश लगाएंगे। हमारी पार्टी की बाट इस प्रकार होगी: एक पार्टी स्काउट, दूसरी पार्टी कवरिंग पार्टी, तीसरी पार्टी रिजर्व, चौथी स्टॉप। वहां पर जाने के बाद एम्बुश साइट की रेकी हमारा स्काउट करेगा और उसके बाद हमको जगह के बारे में बताएगा। उसके बाद हम लोग जगह पर एम्बुश ले करेंगे। यहां से वहां पर पहुंचने तक का टाइम तकरीबन 45 मिनट। किसी भी मूवमेंट को देखने पर हमारा स्काउट बताए गए रेडियो सिग्नल से हमको अलर्ट करेगा। उसके बाद हम पहले ये पहचानेंगे कि कहीं वो सिविलियन, कोई बकरवाल, कोई लकड़ी वाला तो नहीं है। रूल्स ऑफ एंगेजमेंट का पूरा ध्यान रखा जाएगा। एक बार कंफर्म होने के बाद कि ये मिलिटेंट है, हथियार दिखता है और उसके चैलेंजिंग प्रोसीजर का इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा। फायर आने पर ही हम फायर ड्रॉ करेंगे।
Almost every night, patrol and ambush parties like these set out from their headquarters, either a battalion headquarter or a company headquarter, and try and confront the militants. Some of them may be crossing the area, some of them may be in a hideout that is in the jurisdiction of this particular company or a battalion, and yet this job needs to be done day in, day out. It's a monotonous, tedious job. 9 times out of 10, old-timers and